Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Yes, about 4 years. The right to be informed. Importante yan. Constitutional provision yan, Mr. General, sa military. And the right of the people to seek redress of grievance. Kayo lang ang makabigay niyan ngayon. Paano ito ngayon? Sila na nakaalam nito. Yung Maharlika, sila na nakaalam nito. Walang participation ng people dyan pati ito. So, ganitong 25 tons. So, alam ba ng military yan? Hindi sabihin nila, kung wala di, hindi na kami sasali ng laro. But we will talk about issues against government. For, if it is for the people, if it is for the interest of the people, and against, if it is not good for the people.
So are you open for those other politicians who could come in and join your group?
Wala mang matapang na politician yan. Bebot lang man.
Who will join you? Wala matapang?
Ha?
Wala matapang na politician who will join you?
Mas grabe. Bebot kaya gina yung military, paanuhin na niya? Military, wake up.
Sir, there are observers no, from other countries.
Hindi ganito yan, ha?
There's a silent martial law in the Philippines.
Correct. Yan. Ang tao ngayon wala nang mapuntahan. Kasi Dulay ka. Biro mo, there was an order at a certain point yung the other night, dadalhin siya sa correctional institution. Kung natuloy nalagay siya, saan siya magtakbo? Hindi magagalaw itong Supreme Court kasi separation of powers. Lalo na Malacanang kasi itang balos-los bata niya. So itong tao lang matakbuhan. Yan ang sinabi ko. There is a fractured governance. Nabali lang, hindi lang na-sprained. There is a fractured in the governance sa ating Pilipinas ngayon. Walang makakorek niyan. Nobody can correct Marcos. Nobody can correct Romualdez. Nobody can it's a long process mapapil sa Supreme Court unless you dala ka ng kaso doon, matagalan yan. Next year pa yan. So if you want a redress of grievance remedy, so it is only the military who says. Kaya ang sabihin ko, presidente ako, nakita ko ang sitwasyon. Kung gano'n rin ang presidente na in face of so many errors there, tambok-tambok, nagtupak-tupak na ng hanggang nagkaroon ng breakage, fractured governance. It is only the military who can correct it.
Are you saying a military junta can answer?
No. Sinabi ko sa lahat yan, magtanong ka ng sundalo niya, opisyal dyan, sinabi ng maghunta ka. Sinabi ko lang, it is only the military who can correct it. Now, to answer your question, ibig kong sabihin ang military, well, it's an option sa military. One, they just can sit there sa upuan nila doon sa cell. Sila na we are not anymore hindi na sila magkudita yung magpunta yung tangke digira noon. Sabihin lang nila na ayaw na namin yung laro ninyo. Out kami dyan. Kasi kung walang military, yung laro nila, wala na.
What do you mean out ngayon?
Getting out means
I don't know. Basta hindi yan kudita, hindi yan ano. Basta sabi lang ng military. You are oppressing people and you are spending our money like water. Pati kami in the coming days, mawawalaan kami ng aming retirement, magalaw. Hindi kami sasali sa inyo.
Silent protest. Not taking orders at all.
Hindi silent protest. Military lang talaga.
Oh, military silent protest na yun. Will not take orders from the commander-in-chief.
Ano?
They will not take orders from the commander-in-chief. That's it.
Ay, hindi, sabihin lang nga niya. Sir, huwag mo kaming isali. Pati kami, ang mga asawa ko ng trabaho sa gobyerno, nakataya. Tingnan mo naman yung pera. Kinuha ninyo. Sa GSIS, PhilHealth, 89,
Tanong na ako, sir.
pinagbili nila. Saan itong pera? 25 tons of gold reserves natin, sold amounting to 129 billion. At least sa Congress, kung may resolution, tapos a bill that would correspond with it, there's an explanation of how the money is going to be spent. Pero ito, paano ito ngayon? Sila na nakaalam nito. Yung Maharlika, sila na nakaalam nito. Walang participation ng people dyan pati ito. So, ganitong 25 tons. Alam ba ng military yan? Hindi sabihin nila, kung wala hindi na kami sasali ng laro ninyo.
Pero Mayor, parang play safe naman ang military ngayon. Do you think si Brownell po ay mag-react ito?
Can you restate your statement?
Can you expect that Brownell will
When ito, pag nilabas din ito, your question must also correspondingly appear. Importante yan. So, guard.
kasi may statement siya, dapat partisan, dapat stay put lang yung military. Wala naman siyang sinabi, no? In fact, si Inday nga nagsabi na tulog-tulugan yung chief of staff. Paano daw makakatulog yung AFP chief of staff?
Matagal na siya natulog. Alam niya yung commander-in-chief niya nagdudruga. Noon pa yan, alam na ng lahat. Baka siya lang ang hindi. Ang mga pulis. Kaming taga Davao, alam namin si Lagdamio nagdudruga. Kasi kasama namin siya palagi dito sa diyan kay Pedro. Kaya yung SIPO ni mag-usap kami, yung SIPO ni Lagdamio magtulo yan. Hindi niya alam nagtulo yung SIPO niya. Minsan gano'n na lang yan. Alam ni Marcos na si Lagdamio durugista. Alam ni Lagdamio na durugista. Magkasama yan sila sa hit-hitan. So, another appropriate question would be yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police, would you still continue to support a drug addict? Alam ninyo kung mga, pero tanungin mo lang yung Presidential Security Command. Puro military man yan. You did not go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente? Sabihin mo sa amin. Kasi nagpapatulong kami to get the answers. Sana, we cannot get a correct and accurate true answer from kami ang magtanong. Barado kami ngayon eh. So under the constitutional provision of the right to be heard, kailangan sagutin ninyo yan.
But would it help if one would...
The right to be heard, the right to be informed. Importante yan. Constitutional provision yan, Mr. General sa military. And the right of the people to seek redress of grievance. Kayo lang ang makabigay niyan ngayon. The right of information, you protect that right and allow us to use it. And we are seeking for redress of grievance of the abuses of government